Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell on Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, you need to understand that Phantom Wallet does not have the built-in selling feature for converting your crypto into the fiat currencies like GBP, Euro or USD. So you have two workaround or two options to sell your crypto. In the first option, you can sell through the DEXs or you can even use the Phantom Wallet's swap feature. In the second method, what you can do is you can simply send your Solana or any other crypto to any of the centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, etc. and there you can sell it. So I'm going to show you both of these methods, so make sure you stick around until the end of this video. So in the first method, you just have to launch your Phantom Wallet and over here you will see this swap option. So you need to tap on the swap option and over here you will be able to see your SOL. Now you can swap your SOL into USDC or into USDT. If you want to sell your SOL for USDT, you need to simply tap on the drop down menu and select USDT. Then you need to enter the amount of SOL that you want to basically convert or swap into USDT and conclude your transaction. Now this doesn't convert your crypto into cash, but you can hold USDC or USDT before actually sending it to an exchange for the withdrawals. Now in the second method, what you need to do is you need to simply come on the home page of your Phantom Wallet and now you need to tap on the send option. Afterwards, you need to select Solana and here you need to just select the username or the address from your exchange and you need to copy from there and paste it over here. The address will look something like this. So you need to simply press next option in the bottom. Now it will redirect you on this page where you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to send from here. Now if you want to send all, you need to tap on the max option. Then you need to press next in the bottom. On the next page, you just have to simply review the details and you need to press the send option. You can even send your USDC or USDT that you have converted in your Phantom Wallet with the same method. Now, once you receive your withdrawal amount, whether it is Solana, USDC or USDT in your exchange, you just have to simply launch that exchange and with the withdrawal methods of your particular exchange, you can get the money in your bank account via bank transfers, PayPal, Vimeo or any other available options. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.